look at is cancelling algebraic fractions. Now, you guys now know how to cancel normal fractions. If I, for example, had 5 over 15, well, 5 goes into both of those. It goes into 5 once and it goes into 15 3 times, so it's 1 on 3. You guys know how to cancel fractions where I have 9a over 12ab. The a's cancel out. 3 goes into both 9 and 12, 3 times and 4 times, so we end up with 3 over 4b. We're now going to deal with algebraic fractions, so let's have a look at our first example. We have 6x plus 8 over 6. No, we can't just cancel those 6's out straight away because of this plus. We don't know if 6x plus 8 is something that is divisible by 6. For example, if x was 1, then 6 times 1 plus 8 is actually 14, and you can't cancel that out with the 6. So we're going to have to factorise the top line before we do anything. What goes into both 6x and 8? Yes, it's 2. So we're going to have 2 outside of what's left. We've got 3x plus 4 all over 6. Now, because this is the same as 2 times 3x plus 4, I can now simplify that 2 and that 6. 2 goes into them, both of those. It goes 1 time into 2 and it goes 3 times into 6. So we're going to end up with 1 outside of, well, if we have a 1 outside of, I don't bother writing it, 3x plus 4 all over 6. Second example, we've got x squared take x over x squared take 1. Well, this is weird. Let's write it down. X squared take x over x squared take 1.
Do you have class in here?
No,
You don't know if I come in because...
I'm recording some videos.
That's alright.
Sorry,
No, you're right.
that was Ryan. We've got x squared take 6 over x squared take 1. So I'm going to take x out the front because x goes into both x squared take x. X is going to x squared. 1's left over from the second one. X squared take 1, this should be shouting at you as difference of 2 squares. X squared take 1 squared. So we've got x take 1, x plus 1. Now, just like when you have a number that's on both the top and the bottom and you just cross it out completely, because this is x times x take 1 and this is x take 1 times x plus 1, we can actually simplify that whole lot of x take 1 on both top and bottom. It appears both top and bottom, it's multiplied by the other things, it's not added to other things. We can get rid of it. We can't simplify anything else, so we're going to end up with x over x plus 1. That's pretty much it with cancelling algebraic fractions. It's kind of as hard as it gets, just factorise by the steps we learnt yesterday, highest common factor, difference of squares, see if you can factorise your monic quadratics, and if it's a non-monic quadratic, give up, cry, and then try the quadratic form. No, you know how to do it. Like and subscribe.